Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check notices on the CoookieRun OvenBreak application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and you can find different buttons, for example the shop, the settings and the events. New, if you want to check the notices, click to the megaphone icon next to the money at the upper bar on the screen, and here go to the third option, the notices, and you can check, for example, the change to time of service info, the update info, version update, grand champions and others. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.